Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Steam updates safely on Windows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows computer and ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Locate the Steam client by searching for it in the Start menu. Launch the Steam client by clicking on its icon. Once the Steam client is open, navigate to the top menu bar. Click on Steam to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Check for Steam Client Updates. The Steam client will now check for available updates. If updates are found, a prompt will appear indicating the size and details of the update. Read the information provided to understand what changes or fixes are included. If you wish to proceed, click on the Update button to start the download. The update will begin downloading automatically. Monitor the progress of the download in the Download section of the Steam client. Once the download is complete, Steam will prompt you to restart the client to apply the update. Click Restart Steam to finalize the update installation. After Steam restarts, you will receive a notification confirming that the update has been successfully installed. To ensure everything is working correctly, launch a game from your library. If there are any additional updates for your games, Steam will notify you at this time. Follow the same steps to check for and download updates for your games if needed. Keep your Steam client updated regularly for the best performance and security. Enjoy your gaming experience with the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.